Hi, we are hosting an advanced hairstyling workshop on September 20th. யூஷுவலான பிரைடல் ஸ்டைல்ஸ் பண்ணாம யூனிக்கா எப்படி கிரியேட்டிவா வந்து பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த ஹேர் ஸ்டைலிங் கிளாஸ்ல சொல்லி கொடுக்க போறோம். And also this is going to be a hair styling update workshop. If you are an existing hairstylist, you can participate in this class. And if you like hairstyling and hairstyle கத்துக்கணும்னு ஆசை அப்படின்னா, of course you can participate in this class. It's a government certified workshop and also the entire tools will be provided by the academy. It's going to be 5 days class. You will be learning 15 different hairstyles. In the 15 different hairstyles பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's going to be long lasting, நல்ல செக்யூர்டா நம்ம press பண்ணா கூட it is going to come back to the actual shape-ஆ இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரியான secured long lasting updos தான் நாங்க train பண்ண போறோம். So don't miss this workshop if you want to learn from the best in town. So Divya Nilamegam will be your trainer and she's going to train you from the basics to the advanced level in this workshop. In future if you want any revision, if you want to assist us, you can anytime you can visit AMA or you can even come for a bridal assisting. So live எப்படி பிரைட் பண்றதுன்னு நீங்க கத்துக்கலாம். In the same time you can come and assist during our training session. Mainly you no need to pay any additional charge to assist us. It's going to be part of your 5 days class. And இந்த இயர்ல ஒரே ஒரு workshop தான் இருக்கு coming 20th and we have last 4 seats available to participate. If you are interested, you can WhatsApp 9524577777. Go through the syllabus and you can enroll. Don't miss this workshop. Secured, long lasting, trending ல இருக்க bridal updos நீங்க கத்துக்க போறீங்க and I'm looking forward to this session. Thank you.